Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing I kind of wanted to start like a 3-part series with a palette that I'm going to be trying. It's the Lime Crime Venus collection. I bought the Venus 1, 2, and 3. So I kind of want to make like a 3-part series on my channel of me testing all 3 of them. So yeah, I thought that would be kind of fun, and if I look weird, I did my face and my brows today already, so yeah. But yeah, so I'm going to be testing out the Venus 1 palette today. This comes in this little plastic e-box thing. I ordered this online from Ulta, and this is what it looks like. It's got the reflective gold things in it, and it's got the person on it. And I haven't even like opened these or looked at them. The only one I've looked at was the 3rd one because it's in the store at Ulta. So I did look at it, but I haven't opened these, swatched any of them, so I have no idea what any of them look like. So yeah. Alright. Okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. It's got a little mirror in it. It comes with a little plasticky thing. So yeah, there's the mirror with the blues and the yellows and the reds and the pinks. But yeah, so I really like this color scheme right here. Let me take off this plastic piece. So yeah, I really like the color scheme it's got going on here. I was kind of expecting there to be like a blue or a yellow, considering that's like the whole thing going on with it, but that's okay. Let me take off this plasticky piece. So yeah, okay. These are some pretty colors. Like, this is like what I would normally do, but this like pink right here is like screaming my name. Alright, so it's not really like a super light transition shade, so I'm probably just gonna go in this one first. It's the shade Divine, and I'm just gonna put that kind of all over, I guess. Alright, so I'm going to swatch that shade. I'm going to swatch the shades as I go. That way you guys can see them. It's a little light, kind of patchy. It doesn't really show up like it does on the palette. Like, that looks pink, if you guys can tell. It looks like a little pinky brown. And this is more of like just a nude brown, but that's okay. With the same brush, I'm going to go into shade Creation right here, which is this like orangey brown shade. I'm going to keep that on the outer crease right there. Just to kind of deepen it. So that one is really pigmented. Came off on the eye pretty well. And then I'm just going to drag it, whatever's left, to the inner corner. Now I know it looks messy right now because I haven't blended it out, but I like to go in with the clean brush and do it after. That way I'm not spreading more if there's any color left on this. Now notice I did not put that on the lid, so yeah. Now I'm going to take a smaller, smudgier brush, and I'm going to take that shade Icon, which is dark, like chocolate brown. Oh, I forgot to swatch Creation. Here's the swatch of Creation. These are not like swatching the best, but they're applying pretty well. So I'm going to take that shade Icon, and I'm going to keep it on the outer corner and just kind of like stamp it. Kind of like that. I definitely put more on that side. Now I'm going to go in with that first brush kind of blend that out just a little bit. So far, this is the look. And that's only those 3 shades that I've used so far. I really want to go in with that shade Rebirth. I'm going to take a very small airbrush crease brush from It Cosmetics. Oh, I meant to swatch that shade. Hold on. This is the shade Icon. That one swatched a little better, but they're just kind of patchy swatching, but they come on pretty good. The only one that so far I did not like was that shade Divine, because they didn't really do much. But yeah, I'm going to take that shade Rebirth. I'm going to put that on the inner crease. I'm going to drag it down to the corner and in, if that makes any sense at all. Trust me, this look will all come together once I'm done. I'm kind of just winging it. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just know that I wanted to incorporate that pink. What the heck? All right, now I'm going to take my clean brush. And I'm just going to blend all that in around the edges. Alrighty. Now I'm going to take some of that foundation that I used. This is something that I've been doing instead of using concealer. I've been using foundation. And I'm going to put that in the middle of my eye where I didn't put any of the color. Now there isn't a matte white shade, so I'm just going to kind of like let that dry a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with, which one should I go in? I think I'm gonna go in with that one. Shell. That one is called Shell. I'm gonna take a flat packer brush right there. And I'm gonna go with it dry first. Okay, comes off a little, they're kind of a little fallouty, if you guys could tell by that, but it's okay. Oh, dang it. I went in with the wrong shade. Hold on. Let's put that in the inner corner. It's a little chalky, but that's okay. Oh, I meant to swatch the shade Rebirth. Hold on. There you go. That's a good one. Alright, so now I'm going to go with the actual shade Shell. And I'm going to put that on top of that. It's gonna be a little weird because I accidentally put that first shade Aura on it. So I'm gonna have to really pack that one on there. Alright, so I feel like it'll look fairly better on the other side because I won't put the wrong shade on there. I guess you guys knew what shade I was gonna use next. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the shade Shell, for real this time. Pack that on there. So you can definitely tell the difference, which one I used the correct shade on. So that's okay, you guys got 2 looks out of that one. So yeah, I'm gonna swatch both of Shell and Aura, just for you guys. It's Shell, it's like a light pink, and then Aura is your gold, it's like a goldish color. It's a gold white. It's a little chalky, like the white one. Aura is a little chalky, but that's okay. So yeah, now I'm going to take kind of a bigger blendy brush, which is that clean one that I used, and I'm going to take the shade Rebirth, and I'm going to put it in my lower lash line. And then with a even smaller brush, like this little tiny detailing brush, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. And then I'm gonna take that shade Icon, just like a very tiny smudge, and keep it really tight. Then I'm gonna take that first brush we used for Rebirth and just kind of blend it all out. I just got that orangey brown shade all over my face. Alright, so yeah, that is the look I came up with for the Venus 1 palette. I'm going to finish the rest of my face. Actually, this is something that I've been doing recently. I've been testing to see if the palettes have a highlight shade in it, because I like using eyeshadow as a highlight because it lasts a little longer. So I'm going to take that shade Aura and see if it even shows up on the face. Look at that natural highlight though. Anyways. Wow. It is like a little white for my taste. I know it's got like the gold reflex in it. It's pretty on the nose, but it's also like really chalky and fallouty. It's very bright and blinding. And then I'm going to put it on the brow bone. The reason I've been wearing the eyeshadow as my highlight is because I like to tie in all my highlights, and if I'm using an eyeshadow under my brow, there's no way that I'm going to be able to match that same highlight if I'm not using the same color. And it's like, if it can highlight my brow bone, it can highlight my face. So I do like to test that out. I've been recently like really looking for palettes that have a highlight shade in them. Not like I don't already have a million highlighters, but if it didn't have one, I was going to use the Japanesque ombre highlight that I tested in my last video about the nothing over $10. Because I mean, like, well, I guess it went up if I actually swatched it on the right spot in my arm. But yeah, there's that. It's really pretty. I personally enjoyed that highlight. So I did like that highlight. It's really pretty. It's really blinding. I just wish it wasn't so like white, all up in my face white, and a little chalky. But that's okay. I appreciate it. They did good on this palette. I do recommend the first Venus palette. Really the only problem I had was that shade Aura, just because it was a little chalky and fallouty, and the shade Divine, just because I really couldn't see it. It didn't really show up. Like even on the swatch, it's like, eh. I haven't used any of the other ones, so I'll be sure to try those, like the shade Venus and Muse. Those are the only two shades I did not use. So yeah, I'll be sure to try them out and update you guys in my description box. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. And alright guys, so I will see you guys next time, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.